Hi, I'm Emanuel Hodge, Integrative Medicine Physician and Instructor here at ICOHS College. My blog is pertaining to, my first three are going to be breath, hydration, and movement as it pertains to health, as it pertains to releasing contracted contractions of the body, maintaining the breath 3 times per hour, where you inhale through the nose and exhale a releasing sound 3 times every hour, so as to help release contractions within the body, and being sure that you do the releasing sound, that ha sound, 3 times. No other sounds, simply because all the different sounds do help for the different organs in the body, etc. However, the ha sound, it's hard for muscle contractions to stay contracted when the body releases in this manner, especially when it does it consecutively 3 times. By the 3rd time, you feel where that release is actually happening. And coupling that with hydration, where you hold water in your mouth 3 times per hour to help hydrate us. The fact that we're constantly told that we have to drink 8 ounces of water or 8 cups of water every day, and people figure, oh, at the end of the day, I'll just down 8 cups of water real quick and I'm good. And unfortunately, that water just runs right through us. And then we have where we're also told that we can drink our weight, half our body weight, in ounces. So if you're 200 pounds, you drink 100 ounces of water per day, but that really only speaks to your standing weight. It's not your activity weight. It's not when you're sweating or if you're consuming dehydrants such as coffee or sugar or sodas or something along those lines. Those things dehydrate different aspects within our body and causes that need for hydration, so that water amount is nice at a base standing weight to consume. But I've found in my practice, one of the things that I share with all my clients, as I stated earlier, if they're hydrating, to drink alkaline water, hold that water in your mouth for 10 seconds, 10 real seconds, swallow and repeat. Make sure you do it 3 times per hour. This way, it doesn't matter if you're whatever your weight is, it doesn't matter how much water you're consuming. The sheer fact of holding it in your mouth helps your body. It activates your stomach digestion, so your absorption is able to happen even better, and it optimizes your hydration by cutting your pee time in half. If you're going to the bathroom 12 times, 13 times, or every time you drink a cup of water, this is for you. It'll cut your pee time in half. The reason I recommend alkaline water is simply because the majority of us are highly acidic, simply because we consume a lot of sugars and starches, etc. So those sugars create a high acidic environment in the body, and then we'll find that we end up having different breakouts, or we'll have different pains or just dysfunction stopping to happen, which are all signs of high acidity within the body, especially dis-ease. Any dis-ease in the body can be attributed to high acidity. And so this is why I recommend alkaline water, because then it helps to change your pH to being more alkaline and less acidic. Now, we do need a certain percentage of acidity in us in the way our bodies work to fight and build our immune system to defend against stuff. But the goal is to get us to a 60-40 ratio of alkalinity and acidity. And so we do that with our diets as well as the way we consume. But by simply holding that water in your mouth, it actually allows your body to absorb it. even more, and you do that 3 times per hour.